Australia is an amazing country with a very high quality education. Many students from around the globe has a dream to study in Australia, but they might have confusions on which university to choose from. So, if you want to pursue higher studies in Australia and want to know which are among the best universities, then this video is for you. So, here are the best 5 universities in Australia. Number 5 on our list is the University of Queensland. Found in 1909, the University of Queensland is a public research university located in Brisbane, Australia. This university has 6 faculties: business, health, engineering, humanities, medicine, and science. With a student to faculty ratio of 12, the University of Queensland has more than 50,000 students and 7,000 staff. With approximately 16,000 international students from across 134 countries, this university is a very popular destination among overseas students. The University of Queensland also has a global ranking of number 47. Number 4 on our list is the University of New South Wales. With more than 20,000 international students, the University of New South Wales is a popular destination among international students. Established in 1949, UNSW is located at the center of Sydney and is home to 64,000 students from more than 130 countries. UNSW has 6 faculties in arts, business, engineering, law, medicine, and science. Apart from having a great academic standard, UNSW is also home to some of the notable alumni, including the current Prime Minister of Australia, Mr. Scott Morrison. UNSW is globally ranked at number 43. Number 3 on our list is the University of Melbourne. This university is located in Melbourne, which is considered as one of the most livable places in the world. At the University of Melbourne, students can enjoy nearby cafes, sports venues, and vibrant culture of Melbourne, together with getting world-class education. Found in 1853, the University of Melbourne is home to more than 65,000 students with over 30,000 international students from more than 130 countries. With a student-to-faculty ratio of 13, this university has over 8,000 staff to support this large number of students. The University of Melbourne has 10 faculties: architecture, arts, business, education, engineering, music, law, medicine, science, and agriculture. The University of Melbourne has produced 4 Prime Ministers of Australia and many other notable people in the several areas. Number 2 on our list is the University of Sydney. The University of Sydney is also known as USyd and is located at the beautiful city of Sydney. Found in 1850, it is among the Australia's first teaching institution and is also ranked as top 10 world's most beautiful university. The university has 8 academic faculties in arts, business, engineering, medicine, science, architecture, music, and law. Currently ranked at 38 in World University Ranking, USyd has a student-to-faculty ratio of 13 and has more than 60,000 students and 8,000 staff. USyd also has more than 25,000 international students. The University of Sydney also has great contribution to the politics, producing the most Prime Ministers of Australia than any other universities. Finally, number 1 on our list is Australian National University, ANU. Found in 1946, ANU is located at the capital city of Australia, Canberra. ANU has 7 faculties in arts, policy, business, engineering, law, medicine and biology, and physical sciences. With a student-to-faculty ratio of 9, ANU has more than 20,000 students, among which 6,000 are international. Globally ranked at number 31, ANU is renowned worldwide for its academic expertise and cutting-edge research. ANU is also the number 1 university in the Southern Hemisphere. So, these are the top 5 Australian universities offering excellent education to the students. Apart from these, some other good universities in Australia which are worth mentioning are Monash University, University of Western Australia, University of Adelaide, University of Technology Sydney, University of Wollongong. Thank you for watching this video, guys. So among these, in which university you would like to study? Let us know in the comment section below. Also, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, like this video and share it with your loved ones. We will see you again in next video. Until then, watch Inspire and keep inspiring.